We're moving on to the operation family of questions. In this family, instead of just looking for an answer that characterizes an aspect of the stimulus, we're going to treat each of the answer choices as true statements and look for the one that, if added into the stimulus, would have the desired operation. And we begin with strengthen questions, which are historically the most common type of logical reasoning question behind flaws. Our fundamental task in a strengthen question is to select the answer choice that, if added to the stimulus, would make the argument stronger. Imagine seeing a rickety wooden bridge that looks like it spans across a canyon above a shark-infested river of lava below, except that one part of it is obscured by a large, ominous cloud. If someone argues that we can definitely take the bridge to get to the other side with complete safety, you'd be worried, right? I would. They're assuming that the bridge continues unbroken behind that cloud, and that there isn't a large portion missing. If there were, then you might not make it to the other side. So wouldn't it ease your mind if you learned that the bridge actually was fully intact? Well, that might not guarantee that you can get to the other side, because maybe the bridge is too flimsy to carry your weight, or maybe the lava sharks can jump. Learning that the bridge is intact would support the claim that we can use it to get to the other side. In a strengthen question, the portions of the bridge that we can see are the premises. The other side of the canyon that we're trying to get to is the conclusion. The obscured area behind the cloud is a gap in the argument. And the shark-infested lava river is still a shark-infested lava river, where people fall when they don't review reading comp. Strengthen questions, like others in the operation family, are a bit of an evolution on the characterization family. We're still using all the same skills, distinguishing premises from conclusions, identifying flaws and assumptions in arguments, but now we're adding another step. After we identify the gaps in the argument, we now want an answer that helps plug or at least narrow one of them. Strengthen questions tend to be a little bit more challenging than other logical reasoning questions because we can't eliminate answers just because they're unsupported by the stimulus. By definition, in strengthen questions, the correct answer will be something that wasn't stated in the stimulus. The question is, if that answer choice were true and put into the stimulus, would it strengthen the argument?